Okay, so guys, for today's video, we will open a Chilling Reign card featuring Pokemon trading card game Sword and Shield Chilling Reign with Zeraora and Pokemon Pikachu at the front and Celebi at the top. Look at this, it's so beautiful. And at the back, featuring Charizard and the rules of the Frozen Tundra. Okay, so let's start opening it. First, let's open this and then open this and then I'll get it. Wait. Let's see. Chill, guys, chill. Oh, I forgot to tell. It's 25 cards total. I've ordered it in Shopee, Philippines. So, okay, that's all. Let's make sure that it's 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, let's start opening it. Okay, first, Tentacruel. Oh, wait, this is actually beautiful. Look at this. Charmeleon. Is that good, guys? Please tell me. Tentacool, Magneton, Clefable, Spearow, Jigglypuff, Ghastly, Pidgeot, Kingler, and a Krabby. Okay, Energy, Fighting type, Wartortle. Hey, they kind of fits. Okay. Squirtle, Arcanine, my favorite Pokemon. Drowsy, okay, good. Rhydon, wait. I think I see something. Oh, is this good, guys? Mr. Mime Trio. Look. Is it good? Okay, let's put it in here. It's good. Rhydon. Leftovers. Rigiband. I guess put it in. Oh, wait. Energy basic. Oh, look, guys. It's so shiny. And then, Seadra. Oh, wait. I think I see something, guys. Seadra, okay. And Old Amber. Last. Oh, wait. Let's start here. So, guys, chance. Wait. Is it good? Oh, I think it's. Oh, wait. Righteous Edge. It's a metal type Pokemon for sure. Oh, that's his feet. So, guys. Okay. It's Cobalion. Look, just look at this. So good, but I don't think it's rare. So we just got scammed. By the way, I get it for free. So, sum total, I get, my favorite that I get is Cobalion and this basic energy. Just look, it's so shiny. Yeah. So, guys, that's all. Thank you. By the way, before we end this video, let's count them. If we didn't lose anything or just anyone, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, it's all complete. So guys, tell me if there's any card that I pull that is rare. So tell me, guys, in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.